Interdental brush is something that you can use if you're not very comfortable with flossing your teeth. They are available in different sizes. You should be very careful to choose the right size for you. This is because some people might have more gaps in between their teeth, while some people may have only little space between their teeth. This is what an interdental toothbrush looks like, and this is how you use an interdental toothbrush. First, hold the brush between your thumb and the forefinger and gently push the brush between the teeth. Move the brush in and out to remove all the food particles. If you see a lot of food particles, you can gently wash the toothbrush. Next, go to the space between the other teeth and gently brush in and out. Do the same with all the teeth and all the spaces in between the teeth. Make sure that you do not force the toothbrush in between the gaps. It is very important to brush or floss the area between two teeth because major cavities start from between the teeth. There is no other way to remove food particles from between the teeth, but the only way to remove food particles from between the teeth is by flossing or using an interdental toothbrush. Start flossing your teeth or using an interdental brush to protect your teeth from cavities.